stop wasting time and watch this video till the end because I will show you smart Canva hacks that will save your time. Let's get started. If you want to duplicate any element or text, instead of going to duplicate button, just hold Alt in the keyboard and drag the elements as you want, and you can hold Option button in the Mac. If you have text with some effect, font and colors, and you wanna change another with same effect and colors, then instead of changing the colors, fonts and effect, you have to select first one and go to the copy style and click on second. Now see, when we want to resize square shape, we'll use the dimensions. To keep the square with the same dimensions, hold shift and then you resize it. If you wanna add the lift shadow with the intensity more than 100, just select and text, go to the effects, apply lift shadow, increase the intensity 100 and make a duplicate. Just duplicate text many times, and now you can see we add more intensity. If you wanna make a black and white of any object in the image with keeping other objects colorful, just go to the edit, go to the adjust, select click and click on the object you want to make a black and white, and decrease the saturation, adjust the brightness. Now see, if this was useful, drop your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching.